Hello guys and welcome back again to our channel K2N family. I hope you all are doing well. आज तुम सूट बी मन म्हणटले आज जाणा कित पळयतो आज इस्टर आनी आमी आतां मिसा वयताय सांजची मिसा वयताय 9 o'clock मिस आनी एंजल इज इन द कोया आनी किशाय मुगे रेडी सासूमाय रेडी जाल्या आनी बायलोय रेडी जाल्या चोय तुमी सगळे केस दिसता ती चोय नादिया इज रेडी माय क्वीन yes and my two little princesses are ready. Angel also is ready and Kisha also is ready and त्यांची बारा मारिया is ready आपण चल या आमगो मिसा गो म्हाकाय दाखोव
and Cashly also ready.
So guys I तुमकां सांगलोलें मुगे weight loss challenge आसलो म्हणून पयलीं हांव सूट घालताना मुगे पट येस घेवन भायर सरतालें आतां मुगे केला so I will come back again and I'll let you know मुगे कितको जालो पळय तें. So this is what I am now.
Turn around and show.
चोड हे केलां मुगे हाडला कॉटोपात
Yes.
But anyways, I'm happy with the way I am looking and the way I have kept myself. My 90 days challenge is gone. With that 90 days challenge, how it went, I will make another video on that. But for today,
Show your this ray that.
see the special bee. Looks nice, yeah?
Yeah.
So guys, Misa वयताय Misa सायन मागीर तुमकां मेळटाय, okay? So या भायर सर. So बेगीन भायर सरता एक वर आहा Misa वचपाकू. पण आमी आतां 9 असो मिस आमी 8 भायर सरता कित्याक बसोन मेळपाना. पयर आमी गुड फ्रायडे आमी गेलो तेन्ना 3 o'clock मास हलोले 1:30 गेल्ली आनी भुरग्यांक घेवन भायर रावपाक कोता येना आनी म्हाका चुकोय ना हुंय रावपाकू कित्याक एंजल आयज कोयरा आहा काय भुरग्यांक कोयर सो शी इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी एक्सायटेड सो नाव वी हॅव टू गो अर्ली सो गायज आय विल मीट यू लेटर वन्स वी कम बॅक ओके
3 hours later.
So guys, आमी येयली मिसा सान आनी आतां आमी आमगे फोटोशूट करतली दिसता.
येयली म्हण फोटो मेन न्ही गो
सी एंजल.
एंजल sang very nice for choir very
Yeah,
nice
Angel was there for the choir.
was really
Children's
nice
choir.
choir तेगे कात्र कितली हाडा लोक म्हाका कळना लिगो ते पेपर दिवन लिगो म्हाका कळना व्हेरी नाइस इट वाज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सिंग आय कुड नॉट सिंग
Kisha.
आणि हे सारखे मस्ती आसलेले हे सारखे मस्ती पण गायज हेगे मस्ती पण
कोण म्हाका पर्स घे म्हणटा कॅशली हीच एक पर्स बरी आणलेली.
And I also got this from the choir.
Wow. It's like a reward.
Yeah.
For everyone.
Not a reward, it's like a present because it's Easter, right?
Wow, that's nice.
सो आता हेगे फोटोशूट सगळ्यांक
Okay, by the way, I have to show you all something. See, we put this picture. Good Friday, this are Gailole. And this Steffi and Kerry, no? They gave us no this.
ती केरला गेलोली नो दे had gone to Kerala for the retreat and they bought specially from there. It's a very powerful picture. That word has been like got to know now. आता खूप खबर कळते लोकांनी ते तेतला असता म्हणून. And I'm just saying like every bad is finished, every new beginning, everything is a new day. Very nice, very good. Kerry आणि Steffi, thank you तुमका धाडली म्हणून मामी लागलो पावली घेऊन आणि ते बनाना चिप्स बरे लागलेले आधी पॅकेट आले ते दिले जाता हातात.
Let's do the photo shoot मध्ये.
एंजॉय किती कोता करू नाइस
Angel's hair are looking nice, huh?
येस एक पळय आपणय करता पळय वाव किशा नाइस
Nice flash, Nango baby.
Yeah.
Do like this. Like this, do.
आज तुम गोड येऊन पडटली पळय हा
And fall, huh, baby?
स्टॉप एंजल अरे फोटो काढपा पळय कितें कोता ते ओके एंजल यू डू अ पोज इन शो हा चोय कर पळय चोय किशा चोय एंजल चोय
You also do, baby.
Okay.
तू करपा जाय कर चोय एंजल पळय
Look here, mama, look. Okay, done.
बरं
Go na, Nana will remove your clothes.
So guys, आयज इस्टर न्हू भुरग्यां बारा इस्टर एक हा खेळटा हेचे बाटी बायचे आता तेंका खबर आहा एक धाकटें आहा एक व्हडलें आहा तेका लास्ट टाइम केलोले ते सोले नोट बरोवन गेलो ते शिव डुईंग इस्टर एक हांड सो आतां हे फाटी कितें केलें बिस्ती हाडले बास्केटी तेंका तेका हेल्प करपाचें आनी एकमेकाक कलेक्ट होवन तेंका एक सकयल जातालो भुरग्यां बिचे हॅप्पी करपा लागत आतां त्या सारको उमेदी आहा थंय कितें
Excited?
Yeah.
तुका जाय
Why?
जाय म्हण सांग
Yeah.
दिता चल
की आता कॅशली हे सगळे लिपयतलो एक एक आमकां ते मेळ्ळें सारकें इश्ट एग्स मेळ्ळे
एक मेळ्ळें कितें मेळ्ळें
एश करून दवरपाचें सगळ्याकूच दत्तो वयर दवरपा ना कित्याक
इश्टान दवरपाचें तें भुरग्यां बिश्टें हें करपाचें नानागे सगळे लायाव
एंजॉय
दोन लायटी गिफ्ट एक होबाल पास
I want.
So there are Easter eggs around in the house. There's down. Let me know upstairs and all. Okay, it's down only. So you both have to find Easter eggs. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Find kori ja basket galba day. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
एंजल हॅव टू हेल्प हर
You have to help her. And if you find all the eggs, huh?
Is that two each?
No, there are like about I think so 12. Go find now. Find the Easter eggs.
I want. Here. Oh, we have found one. I want that.
Search.
To find one. I want.
सर्च
She
दे
want one. I want.
शी फाउंड
I want. Found one for you. So let's go find one.
Where, Kisha bhaiya.
Kisha, remove Nana. There. You remove. Wait, Angel, wait. Let her do. You search other ones.
Here.
Yeah, remove.
Hello.
Oh, card. Basket.
Basket niकाल.
See, Kisha, Angel getting more. Search.
Angel,
There, one more. Here, Kisha. Here. Remove. Wow.
So find. Upaya.
Okay.
She's scared. Get.
ओचे नाना सोडून दिले पाहिजे तुका.
Yeah, Nana gave to. Put in your basket.
एंजल किती कोता पळय.
I found so much.
Oh, you got? Still there, I think more.
Open your eyes, use your brains. I can see very easily, just right next to me, here and there.
Oh, found one. I found one again.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Done? Okay, now start counting. How much you have?
Okay.
Come here first, Kisha.
Kisha क्या है कि?
Hurry, Dada gave one. Okay, Kisha, count how many you have?
Two.
2? No, count. Like one. Count.
Take it here.
Count.
Two.
No, come and say yo. Count कर ले yo.
Count with Dada, go.
Dada yo. एक ले. 1.
Oh my God.
Okay. 1,
Two.
2,
Three.
3, 4.
Four. And five. And six.
6,
And seven. 9.
7,
8.
8, Mama. We got 8.
Yay!
8. Oh. 9. 9. We got 9. Hey. 9.
You got 9?
Yeah. Kisha got 9. 1.
Two. 3. 4. 11.
Oh.
12. I got
Very good.
You happy?
again.
Happy. happy?
Cannot. I'll get the
Dada will get reward.
reward for them. Okay.
Both of y'all sit there.
And this is for Keisha. Okay, take.
You think?
I should put it in a basket. Okay, this is for Angel.
Thank you. It looks
Easter egg. And this is Keisha's Easter egg.
No, that is Angels.
Which one?
This one is Angels.
fun.
Ah, this is Angel.
Yeah.
What is this? Ah, mermaid. This is for you. Mermaid, you like mermaid, no? Away.
Arey, show me. Wow.
Say, Mama, happy. Say,
Happy.
Happy?
happy Easter, everyone. Come.
Happy Easter, everyone. Thank you.
Wow, happy Easter.
Easter.
Who's he? Eyes so ka shell de.
A normal jeans and shirt घालून.
Chel, Rina ila. Hello, happy Easter.
Happy Easter, everyone. Aldrina लाडल्या पे फरा खाना बची किती गेलेलो. Aldrina the Farah Khan. Ghee roast chicken. मस्त. आता ही आमगे बिर्याणी ghee roast by Farah Khan, the Aldrina. Pork chili आणि gizzard and liver, suka and raita. आणि Easter eggs.
Steaks.
2 Easter egg hunts केलो ती त्याने आणि हे नीलाना नेणे हाडले त्यांका. So आता ही शाखेनं म्हणलं आता इसपातली मागीर घोटी कित्याक आयज एक तो इस्टर आनी इस्टरा दीस पयले दिसान गेले अकोल नवरो जेवणा येयले सो तेका लागून ते उमेदी ओडटा हांव म्हाका चड पिवपा मेळपा ना कामां हांव आयज मदें टेस्ट केलो म्हणटकीर जावन मागीर
बाई सोकला तो रे.
पहिली टेस्ट करचे पयली आपण वाईन पियेलें न्हू.
बाबा नो
Woo.
पयलो रेडी या पयली घे
मारिया रे, मारिया कितें?
Ah, Maria के स्पेशल ड्रिंक राव इधर रे मारिया लिंबू सोडा अंडा मारिया सोडा लिंबू सोडा
ठीक है, स्पेशल लिंबू सोडा दी.
स्पेशल लिंबू सोडा
जलजीरा टाइप.
जलजीरा टाइप तो बेस्ट नो
That is good, but
मागीर
इथे कोणाक गो? माका?
ही मुजी गोरखानी
म्हाका चड नाका.
घे
थँक यू.
आनी निमाण हांव पितलो
पळयता
आनी काय चोयता चोय.
तू कितें पळयता बाबा
तुक जाय किशा? तुक जाय?
नो कर नो गुड कर
घे तुका
नो गुड तुका किशा वॉटर
ईशा cheers कर
Cheers.
cheers
Cheers. Cheers.
cheers कीशा
cheers cheers Angel
Cheers.
Angel what are you doing
Kisha? What is that रे?
Angel तो go
To your dress.
Angel क्या करते गाड़े
Oh,
take मामा
give it.
oh God
हाँ
come on
finish, Papa.
Okay, you can take a little.
A few moments later.
Happy Easter
Happy Easter.
सगळ्यांक
You're very good. God bless you with sweet
Have a nice Easter.
nice Easter. Easter, everyone. God bless you, and I hope you have a good Easter.
Easter, देवान तुमको बेसवानी बोरवान बोला की इंदोरू.
So happy Easter everyone. May you all had a really wonderful Easter. May this Easter bring everyone blessing to your house. आज सगळे बरोबर जावं आनी आमी कोणा एकमेकाक कितें केलां तें आमी एकमेकाक बक्षिया आनी हांव सदां म्हणटा आय ऑलवेज फॉरगिव फॉर एवरीवन बट सर्टनली देर आर सम थिंग्स दॅट आय कांट फॉरगेट बट आय लेट इट गो सो आय ट्राय टू स्टे अवे तेश को पूण कोणा भितर दवरून कांय भावचें ना कित्याक बिकॉज लायफ इज शॉर्ट एंड यू हॅव अ वंडरफूल फॅमिली लायक आय ऑल्सो हॅव अ ब्युटिफूल फॅमिली अराउंड मी I'm happy with that. So I'm not bothered about what's happening around apart. भायर की जात पळय आमगे out of family circle ते म्हाका पडोंक गेलना. So I'm not entertaining those things. So ताका लागून इतलें म्हणटा I'm very happy, thankful for God that He has given me this beautiful family to stay happy and stay away from all evil things. Well, तुमकां एक इश्टारा म्हणे तुमकां आनी एक कितें दाखोवपाक दवरला नाद्या कितें दाखोवपाक वता सो दाखोवपाक कितें पळय तें
This one, show closely.
सो कितें पळय तें
So yeah, मी इंसान गेलोले Amazon. No, Amazon we have bought.
Yeah, what is that?
Read me when you're happy, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, sad. So basically, as I said, but I've never tried that. But you remove one chip first.
Is it this one?
Either one, whichever you want. Okay, you read.
We give thanks to you, O God. We give thanks for your name is near. We recount your wondrous deeds. Psalm 75 verse 1.
Yeah. So these are chits like this, where sometimes when you feel happy, thankful, angry, anxious, lonely, sad, just that the Bible ko dolla, and then whenever we feel like removing a chit, we remove that so that it's like a positive thing. Like even if you're sad, there is a verse there where it gives you motivation. So yeah, if anybody wants, you get it on Amazon.
So why are you thankful?
I am really thankful because you know when we did that Easter egg hunt, we were really happy, and I get to do it with Kisha, and then we got some chocolate Easter eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that, and like a surprise. I feel really thankful for you.
Yeah, guys, that's a very nice. And Nadia, when you're happy, you're emotionally sad,
We get
or you
lots
fear, there are a lot of things.
like
Yeah.
on Shein,
What is written on that? Is that written a lot, right? Happiness.
happy,
Thankful,
thankful,
angry.
anxious, lonely, sad.
So these are all Bible verses. So when you are angry or something, or you're happy, or you're sad, they get a color code. Like if you're sad, but okay, any color code. So happy, any color code. So this is a lot, yeah, verses. So you pick up anything. That will be a message, and that message is from the Bible verses. So when you read, you get connected to that, you get related to it, and it gives you at least an answer for that particular moment. Maybe you will be able to connect. Feels you good. So I think so. That's very nice. Gift लिखो कोरपा कोणाको बसून ऐसी बरे दे, like you know, very nice. हे कोरपा. So वो vlog आम्ही आता इथून cover करतो friends. Hope you all have enjoyed watching this. आम्ही जाणे आम्ही जायते ब्लॉग कोण नाही आता कित्याक आम्ही भिजवता आता एंजला गेले कुम्या येता तेगे कुम्या हितून भिजवताय सेकंडली आम्ही आनी तू म्हणटली कुम्यागे कित्याक दाखोवना कितें कोताय काय म्हणून सो एक ते एक्साइटमेंट म्हणून दवरला आमी ना न्ही तूं खरें सांगपा लागला डोंट बी लायक फेकेस कोरपा ना म्हाका एक्साइटमेंट म्हणून दवरलो आतां एक कुम्या न्ही म्हाका जाय बाये तूं पयलीं चोयल्ले कुम्या दिसते केश दिसते मागीर तुमकां दाखयतलो एवरीथिंग वॉट प्रिपेरेशन वी डीड हाव वी डीड वॉट वी बॉट दॅट ऑल्सो आय विल शो यू बट आय विल शो यू आफ्टर लायक ओके तें कुम्या जाले उपरांत दाखयतलो ते तितून तुमकां सो तेज्या पयलीं आनी एक दोन करपाक कोत्तलो आतां एक ब्लॉग जात जाल्यारू रेसिपी म्हणटा करपा खरें पावना रेसिपी जाय ती मोती आहलोली करपाकू पण ती काय
Kisha also was not well.
आनी किशाचो कितली बारीक जालें तें चोय चोय गो बाबा बेबी बारीक जालें तो चाल कोणी गो बेबी बारीक जालें न्हू बेबी कितें बेंबारू येतालो न्हू कितें येताले बेब्रू येतालो न्ही गो बेब्रू येतालो न्ही गो बरो नाहलो बेबी कितें जालें बेबी गो ओय आतां बरें हा आतां तुमचें आपा बरें हा थँक्यू म्हण सांग सगळ्यांक सगळ्यांक थँक्यू म्हण सांग हांव आतां बरें हा टाटा बाय बाय सो वय गायज आता she's fine now. She's better. And yes, I will be coming back again very soon with at least a short vlog I'll make. And hope everyone had a really wonderful Easter. I'm गेला to port. Hein Jane Satan Zalaha.
Eldrina, they also went home.
Eldrina ती घरी गेली मॉस्पाकू आणि हांव आयज सांजे कामा सो आतां हांव वयता मातसो न्हिदों आतां मातशी रिली जेम मारता. And we had a really beautiful, thank you Lord for this time and this meal, and blessings to everyone who's watching this. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and I find a word to say adios.